Looking for a reliable used car for around $5,000? Yes, they still exist. You just need to know exactly what to look for. While it may seem tricky to find a solid vehicle in this price range, there are still dependable options out there that offer great value, longevity, and low maintenance costs. So without further ado, let's dive into the list of the best used cars that will fit the bill and will keep you on the road for years to come. Number 10. Mitsubishi Galant. Mitsubishi introduced the 9th generation of the Galant on the North American market and was warmly welcomed by customers despite its unusual design language. Since the Galant was discontinued in 2012, this mid-size sedan often flies under the radar in the used car market. Not many people know it exists, but it's a solid option for anyone looking for a reliable, affordable car for around $5,000. Powered by a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, the Galant delivers decent performance with a good balance of power and fuel efficiency. You can expect around 23 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. It also features a robust 4-speed automatic transmission, which shifts smoothly and contributes to the overall ease of driving. Though not as widely known as some competitors, the Galant is built to last and can handle high mileage with proper maintenance, which comes at a minimal cost. Number 9. Honda Element. The Honda Element was a uniquely shaped and uniquely equipped vehicle, part crossover, part van, and part Honda genius. Few vehicles earned the level of love from owners that the Element did. The original Element in years 2003 and 2004 earned high scores on Consumer Reports' Reliability and Owner Satisfaction Index. Powered by Honda's legendary K24 engine, this thing is a workhorse. The non-turbo 4-cylinder engine is not only bulletproof, but it's also efficient. With parts readily available, keeping this car running past the high mile mark is both painless and affordable. Inside, you get fold-up rear seats and waterproof washable flooring. Perfect for pet owners, campers, and do-it-yourselfer movers alike. For $5,000, the Element is a practical, underrated choice that's ready for just about anything you can throw at it. Number 8. Pontiac Vibe. They stopped making them in 2010, but it's literally just a Toyota Matrix dressed up like a Pontiac thanks to the partnership between GM and Toyota. Powertrain for this car is a Toyota-built 1ZZ FE 1.8-liter straight-4 16-valve engine producing 126 horsepower on the base model. This engine is not only reliable, it provides adequate acceleration and decent fuel economy as well. The 4-speed automatic transmission on the Vibe shifts smoothly to maintain speeds, and you expect 28 miles per gallon on average. Maintenance and repairs are wallet-friendly since it's easy to fix and parts are inexpensive and interchangeable with the Toyota Corolla. The best part is, if you're someone on a tight budget, you can find 2005-2007 models for right around $5,000 and use them well over 200,000 miles. The Vibe is often cheaper due to the perception that it's a Pontiac, a brand that has been defunct for over a decade. Number 7. 2010 Ford Fusion Hybrid. Ford Fusion Hybrids of the 2010 vintage can be in short supply because owners tend to keep them forever. Don't be fooled by Ford's spotty reliability track record. This sedan is a solid exception. Introduced in 2010, the Fusion Hybrid was powered by a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder gas engine mated to a pair of electric motors to deliver impressive fuel economy and durability. Built to go the distance, this Fusion Hybrid can rack up high miles without missing a beat. With proper maintenance, it's not unusual to see these cars easily exceed 200,000 miles, making them a reliable choice in the used market. Plus, parts and repairs are affordable, so you won't be hit with hefty maintenance costs. Inside, you'll find a spacious, comfortable cabin with ample trunk space for all your daily needs. For around $5,000, you're getting a hybrid that delivers both reliability and fuel savings. Number 6. 2010 Mercury Milan Hybrid. Yes, the Mercury Milan Hybrid was simply a rebadged version of the Ford Fusion Hybrid, meaning they shared the same powertrain and mechanics, including the hybrid system, with only minor exterior design differences between the two models. But here's the advantage. Many people overlook the Milan when searching for a used car, so if you know what you're looking for, you can score a great deal on this underrated hybrid. Before we move on to the next car, don't forget to like this video if you're enjoying the content so far. It really helps us out. Number 5. Toyota Matrix. When people think of Toyota, their minds often go to reliable sedans and family-friendly SUVs. But there are plenty of more exciting cars that have made the brand so legendary. This list is so long, in fact, that there have even been some interesting models that have managed to fly under the radar, which begs the question, what is Toyota's most underrated model? Released in 2003, the Matrix came equipped with a 2ZZ GE 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine producing 180 horsepower on XRS trim, an impressive figure for a compact car in its class at that time. This engine was paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission or 6-speed manual transmission, plus featured Toyota variable valve timing and lift intelligence, providing both power and efficiency. The Toyota Matrix is one of those rare finds that can handle high miles with ease, making it an exceptional choice for anyone looking for a reliable $5,000 used car. Number 4. 2007 to 2009 Mazda 3. The first-generation Mazda 3, crafted in Japan to replace the Mazda Protege, is a compact car that quickly built a strong reputation. If you're looking for a reliable used car that's both fun to drive and easy to maintain, the 2007 to 2009 Mazda 3 with the 2-liter non-turbo engine is a hidden gem. This model is a true workhorse known for its longevity and minimal maintenance needs. With proper care, this engine can easily surpass 200,000 miles, proving it's built to last. Even if you pick up one with well over 100,000 miles, there's still a lot of life left in it. The lively 140 horsepower four-cylinder engine delivers zippy performance for its class and remains impressively fuel efficient, managing around 27 miles per gallon in mixed driving with the automatic transmission. If you're in the market for a Mazda 3, it's best to skip the 2.3-liter turbo, which is known for its high oil consumption. The 2-liter is the smarter, more reliable choice for a solid $5,000 car. Number 3. Honda Accord 2.4. The 2006 to 2007 Honda Accord is a classic choice in the used car market, and for good reason. Known for being one of the most common and widely available used cars, it's a solid, reliable option that has earned high reliability rankings from Consumer Reports. Models with the 2.4-liter engine are powered by Honda's K-Series engine that features a timing chain instead of a timing belt, which means fewer maintenance headaches and more time on the road. The 5-speed automatic transmission on the Accord offers a driving experience that's both comfortable and responsive. For around $5,000, the 2006 to 2007 Accord is a dependable, sensible choice, whether you're looking for a daily commuter or a car to rack up the miles on. Number 2. 2005 Toyota Corolla. It's no surprise that the 2005 Toyota Corolla takes the number 2 spot for reliable used cars. Known for its bulletproof reliability and minimal maintenance needs, the Corolla has long been a favorite among budget-conscious drivers. The compact sedan is simple, straightforward, and designed to last. A car that can easily go the distance with minimal care. Under the hood, the 2005 Corolla features a dependable 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, capable of delivering an impressive 30 miles per gallon in the city and 38 miles per gallon on the highway. This engine is known for its fuel efficiency and longevity, often surpassing 250,000 miles without major issues. Paired with either a smooth 5-speed manual or a durable 4-speed automatic transmission, the Corolla provides a comfortable, efficient ride that's perfect for everyday driving. It's just a car that gets the job done year after year. The generation Toyota Corolla is a smart, affordable choice for students or anyone looking to get the most out of a $5,000 budget. Number 1. Lexus ES. The 4th-generation Lexus ES stands out as one of the most reliable used cars you can find for around $5,000. This luxury sedan combines comfort, refinement, and legendary Toyota reliability, making it a top pick for anyone seeking a dependable, high-quality vehicle at an affordable price. At this price, you'll likely find models with higher mileage, but that's no reason to shy away from the Lexus ES. This car is built to last, with many owners reporting it can easily reach 300,000 miles or more with proper care. Powered by a smooth and durable 3.3-liter V6 engine, the Lexus ES delivers solid performance with plenty of power for daily driving. Even with its luxurious features, it manages to stay relatively fuel efficient, offering around 19 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. What makes this Lexus ES even more attractive is its reputation for longevity. Built on Toyota's rock-solid platform, this car is not only luxurious but affordable to maintain, thanks to its shared parts with the Toyota Camry. And there you have it, our top picks for reliable used cars you can find for around $5,000. Whether you're after fuel efficiency, affordability, or just solid dependability, these cars prove that you don't need to break the bank to get a great ride. If you found this list helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and recommendations on finding the best deals in the car market. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching and happy driving.
And if you're in the market for a new car, be sure to check out my marketplace. It's a great tool to compare prices and find the best deals out there. Whether you're after something brand new or a reliable used car, there are plenty of options to explore. The link is in the description.